here's the crack for the Gusta, entry-level Gusta, that I'm taking care of. You can see it's quite bad, and the veins in the wood are quite a large separation in them. So very weak top, and the coating on the top was almost non-existent. This is me after I sanded it with 600 and then went up to 7,000 grit and everything in between. And I hand buffed it 4 times here. And I think it's looking very good. At least it's got a coat on now, which is going to make it much stronger. The cleats are on the inside, the wood supports are on the inside, and I'll show you a few pictures here of it being done.